In today's busy lifestyle, every second counts. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or on the go, mixing your protein shakes or smoothies has never been easier. Introducing the electric protein mixer bottle, your portable, powerful, and modern solution for effortless drink blending anytime, anywhere. Powered by a high-speed Vortex motor, it creates perfectly smooth, lump-free shakes in just seconds. Simply press a button and watch your protein powder, milk, or baby formula blend to perfection. No manual shaking, no mess. With a USB Type-C rechargeable battery and optional battery model, you get long-lasting performance and total flexibility wherever you are. The 600 ml large capacity design is lightweight and portable, perfect to carry in your gym bag, office desk, or travel backpack. Cleaning is easier than ever with the self-cleaning function. Just add water and soap, press the button, and it cleans itself in seconds. Built with 300 for stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, this mixer bottle is safe, durable, and stylish, made to last through your toughest workouts and busiest days. Make your healthy lifestyle simpler, smarter, and smoother. Grab your electric protein mixer bottle today and say, no more lumps, only smooth energy.